In this video, I'll show you how to erase and reset your iPhone before selling it to someone. The first step is to go into settings of your iPhone. Go to your Apple account by clicking at the top. Here you can find iCloud. Click on iCloud, scroll down, click on iCloud backup. Make sure to back up your phone. This is important. Once you back up your phone, go back. Again, click on your Apple account. Scroll down at the bottom. Now sign out. Enter the password of your Apple ID. Now click on sign out again. Sign out. Now the next step. Go to General. Scroll down. Here you can find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on this. Select Erase all content and settings. Now it says erase this iPhone. Click on Continue. Click on Erase iPhone. Enter the password of your mobile phone. Now you have successfully erased and reset your iPhone. Now you can give it to anyone. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.